Hi guys, this week on What's Cooking Wahida, we are making a dish called Narenj Pulao or orange pilaf with a lamb stock, orange zest and saffron. It is a sweet, savory, aromatic, rich dish traditionally made on special occasion like wedding or holidays gathering in Afghanistan. Let's get started. So let's start with the top layer, the orange pilaf. We are going to need 1 cup of long grain basmati rice, 1 cup white sugar, 1 cup peeled almond cut into quarters, 1 cup dry orange peels, 10 green cardamoms, 1 teaspoon saffron, and a little less than a quarter teaspoon orange food coloring powder. I'm going to show you guys how to make the dry orange peel at home because it's not easy to find. So you need to score an orange, peel the skin off. Carefully cut off as much of the rind or inner white off without damaging the peel. And then julienne or thinly slice the peel. It should end up looking like this. Then cover it and place it in a dry area and store it for 3 weeks to dry them completely. So we're gonna measure 1 cup of rice. So we're gonna take our 1 cup of rice we just measured, rinse it under warm water. We're gonna repeat this until the water runs clear. We are going to need to repeat this washing for another 4 cups of rice for the second layer of this dish. Leave both dishes of rice aside, filled with warm water and seasoned with salt to soak for 4 hours. In the meantime, we are going to prep the rest of our pilaf ingredients. In a small pot, add 2 cups water and your dry orange peels. Place the pot on high and bring it to rolling boil for 15 minutes. Now we are going to add our sugar, saffron, green cardamom, and almonds and let them boil together for 25 minutes, medium high, and then set it aside for later. Let's move on to the bottom layer of the dish, the lamb stock. For this, I'm using a boneless leg of lamb. I only need about 2 pounds of this lamb, so I'm going to cut off my portion. So I trim most of the fat and cut the 2 pound chunk to 4 pieces. Now that we have our lamb prepared, we can get to making the stock. We need 2 tablespoons olive oil, 4 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon salt, a 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, and a 1/4 of a large yellow onion, and coarsely chop a 1/4. In a pressure cooker, add 3 cups of water and start adding in our ingredients. Crush the garlic in a garlic crusher, then give it all a stir before adding in the lamb. Seal the lid and place it on a medium-high heat for 15 to 20 minutes. The lamb is ready, so let's remove the meat from the pressure cooker and pour out the stock into a dish. Now that we have our lamb and the stock, we can start making the middle layer of the dish, the seasoned rice layer. The seasoning consists of 9 pieces blended together into a fine powder. Pause your screen so you can see. We need a 1.5 tablespoons of this mixture, a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of browning sauce, and a half cup of olive oil. In a large pot, we are going to add all of these ingredients and give it a stir, then leave aside for later. Let's finish making the top layer or the pilaf layer. In a small pot, add 4 cups water and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, we are going to season with a teaspoon of salt, and drain our 1 cup of rice that has been soaking, then dump it into the boiling pot. This only takes a few minutes, so check the rice and remove from the heat before it is al dente or completely softened. Strain the rice again, add the orange peel mixture we made earlier to the pot and add the rice back in with 2 tablespoons olive oil and give it a good mixture until all the rice is taking on the orange color. Then we are going to take a clean kitchen towel and place the lid in the center and fold the towel over the lid. Place the lid on the pot. We are going to leave it like this on low heat for 15 minutes. Onto the middle layer, the seasoned rice. Fill a large pot about halfway with water and bring to a rolling boil. Season the water with salt. Strain the large bowl of rice we have been soaking and dump it into the boiling water and keep stirring same as before. We want to cook the rice until right before it's al dente or soften it fully. Then remove from heat and strain. Now we bring our pot with our stock and spice up to boil and dump in our rice mix until the rice is taking on the color. And place our lamb chunk into a side of the pot and cover with rice. Pour on the rest of our rice spice mix we reserved earlier. We are going to use the same towel trick from before and cover the rice and leave over low heat for 15 minutes. Now the dish is ready to assemble. In a dish, scoop in a layer of our seasoned rice. Then place the lamb in the middle. And cover with more of seasoned rice. And finally, scoop the pilaf over the seasoned rice until it is completely covered with a rice layer of the orange pilaf. This dish is best served with kofta or beef meatballs in a cauliflower curry, which I will post the recipes for in the coming weeks. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you have any question or comment, leave them below. If you want more recipes like this, hit the subscribe button. I post weekly recipe videos. So come back next week to see what's cooking.